Issued in public interest by NDMA and IIPHG.
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news, and wishing all of you a very happy 74th Republic Day. And here are the headlines. Nation celebrates 74th Republic Day. Grand parade on Kartavya Path in New Delhi showcases India's military might and cultural diversity. Meghalaya joins Republic Day celebrations, unfurling national flag at Shillong. Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, says overall law and order situation in the state is peaceful. Congress releases first list of party candidates for Meghalaya polls. MPCC Chief Vincent Pala to contest from Sutnga Saipung constituency. And Duitara Maker, musician of Meghalaya, Risingbor Kurkalang, honoured with Padma Shri. And now the news in detail. The nation is celebrating its 74th Republic Day today. The main function was held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi, from where President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating the Republic Day. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi was the chief guest at the parade. The Republic Day parade ceremony started this morning with the visit of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, where he led the nation in paying solemn tributes to the brave hearts by laying a wreath. During the march past, Indian Navy was represented by a mounted column of 61 cavalry, 9 mechanized columns and 6 marching contingents. A tableau of the Indian Council and Agricultural Research on the theme International Year of Millets 2023 was among the special attractions during the parade. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar awardees also participated in the parade. Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya celebrated the 74th Republic Day today. In Shillong, Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, unfurled the national flag at Polo Ground and took the salute of the marching contingents. During the celebration, the governor also conferred the U. Tirot Singh Award for Art and Literature to Doyen of Khasi Culture, Sweetimon Rinja. Tokan N. Sangma Award for Social Services to noted ophthalmologist Dr. Jennifer Basayamoit, and Ukyang Nangba Award for Sports to Meghalaya Blind Football Team Captain Clinton D. Sangma. In his address, the governor said that the overall law and order situation in the state is peaceful. He further said that the state government has taken steps towards finding a permanent solution of the long-standing border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam.
I would like to acknowledge the contribution of each and every citizen of our lovely state, Meghalaya, for our collective achievements. I urge my dear people to work hard for the progress, for the welfare, and for the development of our beloved state, Meghalaya. I hope and pray that we continue to achieve greater heights in making our state, Meghalaya, a better place for the posterity to live in. My sincere thanks to our forebears who gave us our constitution.
Meanwhile, Republic Day celebration was celebrated in several district headquarters of Meghalaya today. At Nongstoin, Garod LNS Dykes, Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District, unfurled the tricolour and took the Rashtriya salute of 13 parade contingents, including the District Police, NCC and 9 schools of Nongstoin town. The Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy, Arpit Upadhyay, graced the celebration as the chief guest at Nongpo. The Republic Day was celebrated at Jowai and Tura. The day was celebrated at Meghalaya High Court also, where Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee unfurled the national flag.
The Republic of Singapore bakum kinong song snong ginit lilang banlak kemen nama jong kinong grim ibala penlong yuk India kaba kraw Singapore ban kan mau yuk jing IT la de jong kinong yelek lai lu jong ni ban pas kem ila ke jing yaka jing rai kot ban tei yaka ri kaba khlain kaba kyu sok hang ban ka ri kudup lot yabaro.
It was on this day in 1950 that India was established as the largest democratic republic. Our constitution is a testament to the values of democracy, justice, liberty and equality that have guided our nation since its inception.
The Congress on Wednesday released its first list of 55 candidates for the upcoming assembly elections in Meghalaya. The party has fielded its Meghalaya Unit Chief Vincent H. Pala from the Sutnga Saipung constituency. Pala is the sitting Lok Sabha MP from Shillong. Saleng A. Sangma, who had resigned as NCP MLA and joined the Congress on January 23rd, has been fielded from the Gambagre ST Assembly constituency. Polling for the elections to the 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be held in a single phase on February 27th. Counting of votes will take place on March 2nd. The Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP on Wednesday organized a public meeting at Vanni Hall, Pindendri. The meeting was also attended by the party chief KP Pangyang besides others. Addressing in the program, Sanjay Kinsai Shangrit, HSPDP candidate from Nongstoin, spoke against use of money power during polls. Pangyang also spoke on the occasion.
That way you have both you being on the come bisa. They don't think they upay pa to see upita e bisa. Hakka to e correction.
A group of residents of Hima Malem on Wednesday submitted an elaborate document to the KHDC on the proposal for amendment to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Appointment and Succession of SAME, Deputy SAME, Electors and Rangbashnongs of Millem's Aimship Act 2007. After submitting the document to the executive member in charge of Ilaka Jambor War, a member of the group of the residents, John Karsheng, told reporters that they have suggested that the word appointment should be replaced by confirmation because the SAME, Mantri, Lingdo, Basan and other functionaries are elected and not appointed by the KHDC. Duitara maker and musician Risingbor Kurkalang was conferred the Padma Shri Award in the field of art category. The award was announced by the Ministry of Home Affairs on the eve of Republic Day on Wednesday. Kurkalang, who hails from Laitkarhong village, is a gifted craftsman who has made a name for himself by making the best string instruments using the wood of jackfruit tree, Udeng Slang, Puma and others. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 20.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 69%, while in the evening it stood at 70%. The forecast: dry weather is most likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Nation celebrates 64th Republic Day. Grand parade on Kartavya Path in New Delhi showcases India's military might and cultural diversity. Meghalaya joins Republic Day celebrations, unfurling national flag at Shillong. Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, says overall law and order situation in the state is peaceful. Congress releases first list of party candidates for Meghalaya polls. MPCC Chief Vincent Pala to contest from Sutngar Saipung constituency. And Duitara maker, musician of Meghalaya, Risingbor Kurkalang, honoured with the Padma Shri. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.